Yeah, she did manage somehow because उन्होंने ऐसा impact create कर दिया था for herself that she was glamorous all the time and she was a glam doll and she was very stylish and hot and sexy at that time. That it was a very of whatever I have followed to see her in that was also a surprise because उन्होंने उतनी ही simplicity के साथ उसे she tried to portray all her characters and she still had that simplicity within it. You know, it was not just that Zeenat Aman that you always looked at, you know. And even in that, there was a lot of sensuality to her.
Her physical beauty at times, you know, she did not normally, in a frequent way, she did not get roles जहाँ उनकी acting abilities ज़्यादा
Yeah,
उभर के आई. She used to be more slotted in that
right.
glamour girl image. Do you think the physical attributes, physical beauty, was kind of deterrent to her being, portrayed as a good actress, and she was more or less she got into the whole sex symbol slot.
I think more than anything, because it was the first impact that she created, it was very fresh on people's minds. And शायद उस वक्त must have been difficult for people to accept her that way. But if you look back now, I mean, if you probably that time, like I said, we've watched these films much later. तो हम जब देखते हैं तो we watch it with a different viewpoint. We feel that no, she looked nice even in that. I feel she looked nice in that. I still feel that yes, her beauty I don't think was deterrent at all. I think it was absolutely उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे से उसे निभाए हैं रोल्स और शायद लोगों के लिए डिफ़िकल्ट था उसे एक्सेप्ट करना लेकिन इफ़ शी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल एंड यू कांट टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम हर. जैसे ही मैंने गाना सुना था आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड डांसिंग टू इट बिकॉज हम लोग लैला मजनू लैला बहुत सुनते हैं एंड यू नो एवरी टाइम यू हियर लैला में लैला एंड आई थिंक वी जस्ट you just instantly picture Zeenat ji, you know, it's just there and nobody else can do what she had done. And I think it is one of her best songs till date and it will be there in the history of Indian cinema.